ngayon gagawa tayo ng pandesal. So, 1/2 cup of water, 3 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3/4 cup of milk, and then we will mix it. We will mix this until it becomes foamy. Then we will set aside. So this is 4 cups of bread flour. So we will just mix all the dry ingredients. 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Then we will mix. Now we will add the egg, and then we will add 5 tablespoons of melted butter, one tablespoon of cooking oil or vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. Then we will mix. Now, after we mix it all, we will add this yeast mixture. You know when it's ready because there's a bubble or look like it's foamy. So we will gradually pour this one here in the flour. So we will sprinkle some flour, because we're gonna need here. Mamasahin natin siya dito. So if you have a bread machine in your house, you can use your bread machine. That way it's much easier. But if you don't have, then you can use by hand like what I'm doing right now. So we will put a little bit of oil. That way it won't stick into the bottom. So we'll just spread it like this. So this is our dough. We'll put it here. our dough rise for about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this is our dough. As you can see, it doubled the size. Now we'll get this plastic wrap. We'll put it here in the surface. So what we will do is we will divide it into 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, breadcrumbs. In preheated oven, 325 Fahrenheit, we will bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I think my oven is ready. So I'll put this one. I'm gonna show you like that. I think it's ready now.